Good morning everyone. Today is Friday. Welcome back to my channel. So, kagigising ko lang guys. I wasn't pay attention. I'm out of rice. So, wala tayo ngayong rice. Alam nyo na tayong mga Filipino, rice is life. So, wala tayo ngayong rice. So, kailangan kong magluto para may baonin ako sa trabaho mamaya. Today's vlog, it's a cooking time again. So, ikaklaro ko lang po sa last video ko, guys. Yung lumpia na ginawa ko, yun yung lumpia version ko. Kasi si Dan, he doesn't like just meat. And especially, his favorite is cabbage and carrots to add it in the meat. So, that's why I did my lumpia like that with a cabbage, there you go, and carrots as well. And also he loved sayote squash. Ginigisa ko lang siya with meat as well. So yan din yung second favorite niya. So kasi hindi kami masyadong kumakain ng karne, malimit lang kaming kumakain ng karne. Most all the time na kinakain namin vegetables and fish. Yun lang yung kinakain namin. Hindi kami kumakain ng meat palagi. Where's the boss? Hi, honey. Oh my God. Oh, that's a cute hat, honey.
No, it's not.
So, okay. Here we go. Your socks. I'm gonna close the blinds because you don't like the blinds. What are we gonna do today?
Nothing. Work.
Are you excited for your off tomorrow?
Yeah, just another day in my life.
Okay. Today it's too dark, honey. That's my husband. The end.
I'm blind.
Okay. Let's close the blind, guys, because this is I'm blind. There you go. And I stole just. What do you call that, honey? When you wake up, you still have like crunchy in your inner of your eyes.
Depends where you're from.
May mga muta pa ako, guys. Kagigising ko lang kasi. Well, we call
People in the south, they call them eye matters.
eye matters. And then here,
Most people here seem to call them crusties.
crusties. Okay, let's go with crusties.
Eye crusties, not
Eye.
crusties.
Eye crusties.
Yeah, eye matters and eye crusties.
Okay. Yay! Gagawa muna tayo, guys, na kape. So, coffee. I cannot
Now what?
wake up in the morning without coffee.
Yeah, you can.
No.
You just be slower.
Slower.
Yep.
So, coffee is good in the morning, right, honey? After I drink coffee, it make me run to the bathroom right away. That's the good thing. How about you, honey?
Huh? Reading.
Are you reading? Hugasan lang natin, guys, yung pot. Aba, kinakarar ko ngayon ng pagbablog, ha? Oh wait, I sleep 5 o'clock in the morning, so I only got 4.5 hours sleep.
Yeah. Go back to bed.
Yun na, guys, yung coffee. Na yung coffee. So, ayan na, guys, magsalang na tayo ng kape. Oops. Okay, habang nag-aantay tayo ng kape, mag-prepare tayo ng lulutuin natin. Meron ba akong bawang? So, kaklaruhin ko lang guys ha. Hindi ako professional chef or professional cook. Kung anong gusto kong lutuin, kung anong gusto kong gawin sa dish ko, ina-experiment ko lang siya. Hindi ako magaling masyadong magluto. So, don't bash me, okay? I'm not a professional chef or cook, okay? So, today's video, we're gonna cook a pancit. Do you want to take it over? Which one the chicken that you...
One was extra plastic.
Oh, okay. Got it. Oh my
Oh,
God.
no,
I'm
stop.
sorry.
Don't move.
So, ito na guys yung garlic, onion, kayong tira kong cabbage, saka ito, a little bit. Instead of water, I'm gonna use this chicken broth. And then, there's the pancit. And there's the chicken that I'm gonna use.
Donna and them probably did it, but we drove.
And then, pinaiinit ko na yung pan. Mainit na siya.
But anyways, yeah.
Tapos na tayo sa garlic. Ilagay na natin guys yung onion naman tayo. I-aim natin guys sa inyo para makita nyo. Onion. So ito na lang yung babaunin ko sa work pancit, diba? Masarap to. Para sa aking lunch later. Narinig niyo ba sa background kayo? Busy yung isa dyan naglalaro. Tuin lang natin yung onion guys. Medyo ano natin, pa-brownin natin ng konti. And next, ilagay na natin yung chicken mamaya pag na luto na yung garlic and onion. So, instead of water, guys, ito yung gagamitin kong chicken broth. Masarap daw tong ilagay sa dish. So, gagamitin ko itong pang sabaw ko sa pancit. So next, guys, ilalagay natin yung chicken. Lutuin lang natin yung chicken guys hanggang sa mag-brown siya. I slice it kind of big guys because Dan doesn't like the small slice of chicken, so that's why it's kind of big though. It's not so big, something like that. Kind of a big slice to put it in the pancit, but he liked that way. The slice not too big. I mean, not so small. So, malapit na guys maluto yung chicken. Okay na ako dyan. Medyo brown na siya eh. Tapos, next guys na ilalagay natin tong chicken broth. Open natin siya guys. You know what? I'm gonna do? Shake ko muna siya guys. Malasing na. Baka malasing nito yung chicken na. Yan. Marami pala yung isang container na sabaw. Marami pala siya. So, ayan na. So, ayan guys. Kumukulo na siya. Add natin itong toyo. Aim ko. Para makita nyo guys. Yan. Ayan, isang ano lang. I think it's ready to put the canton. Lagay na natin to guys. Yan. Yay! So, ayan na guys. Ano na siya? So, I think pwede nang ilagay yung ano, gulay ha. Ilagay na natin yung gulay guys. Woo! Pansit! Pansit kayo dyan! Pansit! Ilagay na natin. Ito guys yung tira ko kahapon na carrots and cabbage yesterday. So, we're just gonna add it here. Medyo konti nga, maliit nga lang yung pagkaka-slice niya, pero okay lang yan. Tapos meron din, add natin itong more cabbage. And, makulay ang buhay. Ayan. Hintayin lang natin maluto ang gulay tsaka pansit. So my pancit is done. I'm just gonna wait till it cool down so that I can prepare for my lunch. And we're ready to eat. Ayun na siya guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Masarap ang pancit. Gusto ko talaga yung pancit bato ba tawag doon. Yung dilaw. Kasi, tingnan natin kung ayun na guys. Sarap. Ayun na yung pancit ko. Off na natin yan. Yan na guys, nawala na nga ng ano. Lipat na natin dito guys kasi tawag dito. Naubusan na ng sabaw. Ito na, yay! Yan na yung pansit ko. So, ayan na guys yung pansit. Pansit ni Inday. Ayan. So, guys, I'm done eating. And I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Go upstairs and take a shower. And I will see you later, guys. Anong oras na ba? Sige, vlog pa more. 1:38. 2 minutes before 1:40. So, I leave at 1:40. So, I still have 2 minutes. Will be fine. Sige, vlog pa more, Christine. Ini-enjoy mo yung pagbablog. Sige na nga, huwag na nga akong magsalita. Sige na nga, maglipit tayo ng halat natin. And then, magbibihis lang ako and I'm out. So, okay guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!